In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dynamically change the y-axis dimension in a Power BI stacked bar chart. By the end of this guide, you'll have the confidence to modify your y-axis dimensions effortlessly, enhancing the impact and usability of your visualizations. First off, we'll begin by opening Power BI. Launch your Power BI desktop application. Once it's open, you'll see the main interface with various options and tools available for creating and managing your data visualizations. Navigating this platform is quite intuitive, so if you're new, you'll pick it up along the way as we dive into creating your dynamic chart. Next, let's import your data. Navigate to the Home tab situated at the top of your Power BI window. Here, you'll find a button labeled Get Data. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu displaying various data sources you can import from. Select the source that contains the data you wish to visualize. Whether you're pulling in data from an Excel spreadsheet, a SQL server, a web source, or another type of file, simply follow the on-screen prompts and connect to your data. Once your dataset is visible in Power BI, double-check to ensure all necessary data fields are correctly imported. With your data in place, we now move on to create a stacked bar chart. Over in the right-hand corner of your screen, you'll find the visualization pane. This area showcases a variety of chart types. Find and click on the stacked bar chart icon. This chart type is particularly useful when you want to compare different categories within a particular dataset and visualize parts of a whole over different categories or periods. After you've selected the stacked bar chart, we're ready to populate it with data. Pay attention to the fields pane, which lists all the columns available within your dataset. It's important to select the data you wish to appear on the y-axis. Drag and drop the relevant data field into the values well on the chart. This action defines what your stacked bars will represent, allowing each segment of the bar to correspond to defined data points. The y-axis typically represents the value measure, while your categories or your specific dimension will likely sit on the x-axis. By now, your stacked bar chart should begin to take shape, empowered with the dynamically changing y-axis dimension. The beauty of Power BI is that it simultaneously updates your visualization each time you adjust or change the data field, providing immediate feedback on your modifications. That's it! You've successfully learned how to dynamically change the y-axis dimension in a Power BI stacked bar chart, making your data more flexible and your visualizations more insightful. Feel free to experiment and explore other settings within Power BI to refine your charts further. Thanks for following along, and happy data visualizing!